Welcome back to this tutorial on this horse art, and in this episode, this part of the series, we're going to be doing the hair and the accessories. So, sorry, adjusting my headphones. But in this one, I have a lot of inspiration for things that I'm going to put on this horse, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to do a nose ring, just because I want one, I don't know. And I always end up drawing all of my accessories, just because I don't like having the extra credits there. I don't like having the extra credits there to use someone's stock images for their artwork. So I just end up drawing my own. It's good practice. So click on the nose ring. And yeah, let me just get comfortable real quick. If you guys can hear my cat, I am very sorry. She is very hyper right now and I don't know how to fix it. So let me do that real quick. And then I'm going to go underneath that layer with a dark black color. Then I'm going to draw this right there. Forgot I was underneath it. Okay. I have that, and then I'm going to go back to that layer and then draw the shadows. Just make sure that the shadow kind of just looks like it, I guess. I'm going to blur right here. There we go. So yeah, there's kind of a shadow there, I guess. Just add a bit more right there. Then we're going to start making it look real gold. So take this color. I'm going to get a light brown shade. We're going to use a particle brush. Just tap it on there, kind of. Doesn't really matter much. We're going to take yellow. Put that on there. And then last of all, we're going to take white and put it only in the highlight area of the gold. So now our horse has a nose ring. And now we're going to take the eraser with the felt tip soft pen. We're going to erase it a bit. Just basically make sure it doesn't look all blurred, kind of. There we go. So there is our gold nose ring. I'm just going to take a bit of this dark brown color. I'm just going to add it to here, just to blend it out just a bit. That looks a lot better. I'm going to erase this line right here. And perfect. I really like how that turned out. So we're going to do, What else? How about an earring? An earring would be nice. So we're going to take the dip pen soft. What if we did 3 earrings instead? Ooh, yes, I have ideas. So we're going to do this. Go. And then do more earrings. I don't know if I want this one like right here, or if I want to do it like up here. Maybe I should do those ones right there, and then one on this ear maybe? Maybe that's too much. Yeah, I think that's too much. So we'll just do the 3 on this one. Yes, okay. Now we take our brush. I'm going to use the pen fade one this time. Do light brown. Then we're going to take yellow. Alright, that seems good. Now we go for white. And for the white, I'm actually going to use the dip pen. And I'm going to bring it all the way out to the edge here, because the top of it would be shining, I guess, kinda. Looks good. Now I'm going to add some black. Let's do right there. Darken that up, especially right there. I'm actually going to take airbrush, cover this right here. It's a bit too light, so I'll use the pen. Alright, there's that. I do want to take my eraser though, and just kind of erase these edges. I can always redo the black though, so it's not a big problem. Okay, that looks a lot better. Redo that black here. And I think I'm gonna add like just some markings. We'll do those out of gold too. Okay, go to the dip pen. My signature look right here. Okay. Just making sure it looks all right. Don't like that end piece. I'll just erase that. Okay, there we go. That's actually nice. Okay. There's my cat, if you guys can hear her. Sorry about that. Alright, so, okay. So I did that on a different layer. Or on the same layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. That's the wrong thing. Duplicate that. And then go here on the underneath layer and erase it. That way it's on its own layer. I'm going to take care of my cat real quick and I will be back. Alrighty, I'm back now. She was just hungry. So that is taken care of. And then now, yep, okay, they're on different layers. Good. Now, we're going to duplicate the layer. We're going to use brightness contrast to make some parts darker. So, sorry, my cat's just eating weird. I'm going to make some parts of it darker and some parts lighter. That is the wrong brush. Use the airbrush. Okay, so with this dot here, do that. And with this, do that. Now we can take our lighter colors and we can start using them. So we're going to take light brown. Once again, do this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use the airbrush for this one. Or the pen fade brush. Let's try that one. Yes, this one's better. Okay. I'm going to run this one down just a bit more because it's not as big of a marking as this one. I think this one should go down even more anyways. So we have that. That's good. And now time for the yellow. And now white. Kind of just switch between your brushes and that sort of thing. Definitely go on a new layer if you want to get it bright white. So there's those. And what else? I think that would be nice. I don't know if there is a brush for that. Let me check. Y'all don't know what I'm thinking, but that's fine. I'm thinking of a chain. I'm pretty sure there's a chain brush. Yes, there is. How small can you do this? Okay, yes. Yes. Okay, this is perfect. Do this. No. Okay. That's good. And then we'll do this chain had other chains coming off of it, maybe. Sushi. Hi, Sushi. Are you here to interrupt my art? So my cat's name is Sushi, if anybody is wondering. Probably no one, but that's fine. I'm just thinking right now. What way can we do this? I do not like that. What if we did it lower? Like this? Yeah, that looks better. Maybe something like this. I don't know. I think I'm going to pause this for now, and I'm going to return when I come up with something.